Good morning, this is Alan from Spotlezz Carpet Cleaning. I'm here in Fairhaven. I'll be doing this for bedroom apartment. As you can see, the carpet is out in the living room, it's heavily soiled. Some spots not that bad, but you can see the dot from close up into the carpet. This is the other room. Then we have this one, and this will be the last one here. The customer who called me, he's moving in, so he would just like to have the carpet clean before he comes in with his family. So I'm here to put some love back into this for him. So right now I'm vacuuming. As you can see and if you can hear, this is a very important step in having your carpet clean. This takes out about 80% of the dry dirt and soil that's embedded into your carpet. So this is a very important step. The first step you should take in having your carpet clean, and you can see the difference in the carpet already just from vacuuming it. And look at that, just from here, look at that. That's what's inside your carpet, and that's what you need to be taking out before you started any type of carpet cleaning. Here we go now. Already pre-treated the carpet, so I'm about to agitate, break down and scrub the carpet. I'm using the CRB here. This is a very versatile tool as it pulls and lifts the fiber of the carpet up. It pulls anything that's deep beneath in the carpet that the vacuum could not get to. And that's why I love using this machine to agitate. You will see the big difference of this when I'm finished. So look at this, all finished agitating. Now I'm going to be extracting with the truck mount. Look at the big difference in the carpet. Look at that. This is some paint spot that will be staying there. It's been there permanently. So, but look at the big difference in the carpet already, just from agitating.